Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a Zara haul. I ordered so much stuff. Sorry if I'm going out of focus, this camera is on its way out. So basically I haven't shopped in Zara in so long, like literally like a year. I just feel like sometimes I just don't really go in there anymore. Like I used to go in my spare time in London, but I just don't have any spare time anymore. So I thought I'd look online and do a bigger order because I've seen quite a few exciting things that I've liked on there, like on other people, and also it's Fashion Week coming up and they always do like really cool like pieces that I can put with my normal wardrobe and just make a more interesting outfit. So I just thought I would order some pieces to see and try, and why not do it with you guys. Also, my last Zara haul did really well and everyone seemed to like it, so I thought it'd be fun to do another one. And what I'm going to do as well is I know of a site that sells like cheaper alternatives of everything in Zara, so I'll link the Zara items and then I'll link like the cheaper alternatives so you can like make a decision which one you want to purchase. So I won't blabber on too long, but before I get into the haul, I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. Sorry if I'm shaking, it's because this little rugrat is being a rugrat basically, kicking the pillows next to me. So yeah, if you haven't already, then I would love for you to subscribe. I do 2 videos a week, all like fashion and styling kind of videos, and I do take requests. So if there's anything you want to see, then make sure that you let me know. I also have enough stuff to film another like regular haul, so let me know if you want me to do one of those, if you want me to wait a bit, because I did just do one of those. But yeah, I mean, I'm unstoppable. So I've got 2 big boxes, bam and bam, and so I'm just going to start on the first one. Basically, Zara is so good for delivery too. Like I ordered these not last night but the night before on standard delivery, so it's free because I spent over £50 and they're here already, so it's amazing. I will link this jumper below too. It's a really nice jumper that I actually just got the other day. I always love how everything comes packaged in Zara with like the tissue paper, makes it feel so special. Definitely the best packaging of all the high street. Okay, so this box is accessories, and I ordered quite a few accessories because like I said, for Fashion Week I like to have statement accessories. I do have quite a few bags, and designer bags too, but I just think sometimes fun high street bags are really cool for outfits, and this is the first one that I picked up, and I just really loved the monochrome print. I think it's so cool, and it's got like a square thing that opens here, and it's actually got loads of space in it. That's really good. And it's got a long strap. I'm not too keen on that, it's like cord, but I do have detachable straps from other bags. Like my Marc Jacobs one actually has a really cool strap I'll put a picture in, so maybe I would attach that strap to this and it would make it really cool. But I quite like it just with the little handle. That'd be really fun for like really like evening events and things, and also just like everyday outfits. I think it would make that really cool. I like that a lot. So this is the little polka dot bag. As you can see, just makes like a normal jumper and jeans outfit look way more interesting. I really like it. I think it's such a cute bag. I love the black and white with the gold detailing too, because often black and white has silver detailing and I really like gold details. And I feel like I'm going to keep this bag and this jumper and just wear this whole outfit because I think it looks really cute. So next I picked up a pair of trainers. And anyone who like has been following me for a while will know that trainers are like a relatively new thing for me, but I've literally fallen head over heels for them. And this pair I saw and was like, they are so cool. They're like plimsoll trainers, but they're leather, and they've got this embroidered butterfly on them and like writing all over them, and they're just like a really cool pair of trainers. And I thought they'd look really good with just like if I want to wear a really simple outfit at Fashion Week, then this is quite a cool pair. They've got a kind of Gucci feeling to them, but also Dolce & Gabbana with all the writing. I don't know, I just really love them. I think they're really cool. I don't think they were too expensive either. I'll do cutaways of me trying everything on, but yeah, these are really cool. I think they're really nice. I'll probably end up keeping these, to be fair. So I do have a lot of trainers, but these are for Fashion Week, so it's different, right? So these are the shoes, and I love them so much. Honestly, I just forgot how Zara is so amazing at everything. They're so much fun, and they're so much more affordable than a designer pair. And I have actually got a few designer pairs, so I feel like I shouldn't keep these. But honestly, they're so comfortable. They're like leathery, and they're leathery all through the inside too. And they're so like cushioned, honestly. They're like, I feel like they're like orthopedic shoes. I'm going to Paris this weekend, if I hadn't already mentioned it like 10 million times. So I think they'd be really nice to wear, like to Paris and around Paris. But so with my other trainers, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Now, I don't remember ordering another pair of shoes, but I do have another... Oh no, this is a bag. This isn't a shoe box, this is a bag box. This bag is so cool. So this is definitely one I ordered with Fashion Week in mind. And it's a bit crazy. It's a basket bag made out of gold. It's really heavy. It's like a shopping basket, but gold. Don't know how I feel about this. So it opens with like two little, almost like doors. Quite, I mean, I'd definitely fit my camera and my lens in there. Everything I needed for Fashion Week. So, I just don't know. I don't know, it's quite crazy. But I just think if I'm going to wear like jeans and a jumper, then this will make the outfit. I don't know, maybe I'm having regrets now. Let me know what you guys think. Is it too crazy or is it really fun? I wish I could do a poll on here like I do on Instagram. And by the way, make sure you follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, so you can see how I style these pieces up and which pieces I like. So this is the gold bag, the golden basket, and I just wanted to kind of demonstrate to you how we can make a really simple outfit look more interesting. I do like the touch of gold, I'm not going to lie. I also do think it's crazy. I don't think I'm going to keep it. At least this is one thing that I won't be keeping. Yeah, I just think it's a bit crazy, to be honest. It's awkward to hold as well. Like, I hate bags that are awkward to hold. And like, I don't know. I just don't think it's the one, to be honest. Definitely not the one. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's ridiculous? So that was box number 1. There was not much in there at all. Okay, box number 2 is already my favourite because look. All of the knitwear. Oh my god, I've got so much knitwear already, but this is insane. Look at those sleeves. Oh my god, I wish that this was like touchy vision or whatever you call this, because it's so soft and white and fluffy and perfect. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I love it so much, and I love the big chunky thick neck too. It's so soft. Can't wait to try that on. And it's got really cool sleeves too, like really big puffed out sleeves. That's what really drew me into this one, because I think I love chunky jumpers like this with little skirts. I think it looks so cool. So this is what I meant when I was saying about the jumper and how it looked really cute with like a fun skirt. I know this just looks like a denim skirt, but it's actually a sequin denim skirt, so it's really fun. And just like a quirky little skirt, and then this big chunky jumper. It looks so nice. I love it so much. Just honestly don't think you can go wrong with a big chunky cream knit. And look how fluffy it is. Like, you guys have to see how crazy and fluffy it is. It's so cozy. And then I got this jumper. So this jumper is £50, which is quite a lot. So I'll find cheap alternatives, as I said, to everything. But I really think it's so cool. It really reminded me of like all the Marc style jumpers with like the, is it pointel knit? And it's like in a diamond pattern, and it's got the nice V-neck detail and like a lovely sleeve detail. And it's just such a beautiful jumper, honestly. I love the colour too. Like, I think it's quite a flattering colour on blondes. But yeah, oh, it's so soft too. Like, honestly, where have I been living? Why have I not been ordering from Zara all this time? Zara knitwear is the best. Honestly, it's the best. I'm in love. So I got this jumper to be oversized. I got it in a medium and I love it so much. Like, it just falls off my shoulder perfectly. But if it's not off the shoulder, then it's just a nice like V-neck style. But yeah, I definitely would wear it off the shoulder. It's just got this most gorgeous like diamond print detail, and I love it so much. This is it untucked too. Let me show you it untucked. So this is it untucked and just like straight. It's still a lovely jumper, but I like it just tucked here off the shoulder. This is how I would wear it, and I think it's so nice. And then I really thought that I ordered more, but I obviously didn't, or maybe some of the stuff wasn't in stock. But this is the final piece, and actually the piece why that like triggered the Zara haul. I saw my friend Alicia wearing it and she looked incredible in it, and it is this hoodie. It's like a jumper hoodie, and it's got like this distressed hem, And yeah, it's just so cool. What I'm going to do is I'll talk you through like everything that I'm wearing, but I got this because I thought it was really cool and it'll be really comfy and fun for Fashion Week. So yeah, this is like, and it's only £40, which I don't think is too much for like a jumper dress, but I can't wait to try this on because I think I'm going to love it. So this is the jumper dress. I think it's really cool. I really like it. It's so cozy, like I'd honestly get it just to walk around the house in. I love it so much, and it's so soft, and I love the details like this, and the hem is really cool, and actually that's quite cool with jeans too, like super oversized. I definitely think I want to keep this one, but I thought I'd just show you it styled up, so like how I might wear it for Fashion Week, so I'm going to go do that now. So this is how I would probably wear it to Fashion Week. Sorry about the crop there. Literally, I have no space in this house to find an area where you can see my whole body. But I love this jumper dress so much, so I'd probably just wear it like this for Fashion Week. I've got my over-the-knee boots on, which are in sale, by the way. I think for like £40, I'll link them. And my Marc bag, which is also on sale for half price. But I just really like this bag. I think it fits really well with the style because of the like kind of industrial kind of style looking strap. And it's just really warm too, like if you're wearing bare legs. I got so much hate in my previous video because everyone was like, what do you mean a winter lookbook? It's got skirts. Like, winter is not skirts, but to me it is. And like, I mean, look, look at that skin that's showing. You can wear shorts into here and be warm, like it's fine, and you're not going to be cold. And yeah, who hangs around outside for ages anyway in winter? Like, obviously you're not going to go on a long winter walk in a skirt, but like this, you're just going to be going from one place to another, and you're going to be looking good. The only thing is, I don't know what coat I would wear with this, so I think I'm going to have to buy another one to go with this outfit, but I definitely think that I'll probably wear this outfit to Fashion Week. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any videos you want to see, then let me know. Whilst you're watching this, I think it's whilst you're watching this. No, so Sunday, I don't think there's going to be a video because I'm in Paris and it's just not going to happen. But whilst I'm in Paris, I am going to film what I wore and like a fun little vloggy type thing. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see that, and if there's anything you want to see from Paris content wise, then just leave me a comment in the description below, and the same for Fashion Week. And I'll stop blabbering on. Don't forget to subscribe, come see me on Instagram, see how I style everything, see what I keep, and I'll see you next time.